Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about Tradefify and what are the things that you have to kind of be aware of if you want to start using it. So first thing first, you're gonna have like lightning funded here or growth. Now for all of these, you're gonna have like different things here. So for example, let's go for, we're gonna check the, let's say 50k account. So you have the one-time fee here and you can like save with the code. And max contracts, you have daily loss limit. This is like important. Trailing max drawdown 2k. Consistency is 20% and max accounts is like 5. Now when we're gonna go further for the growth, let's say you're gonna have 50k account. This is like $83, but here you're gonna have, as you can see, you have the profit target, so that's important. You have also max contracts, daily loss limit 1250, trailing max drawdown 2000, and a drawdown mode end of the day. And reset fee is $85, but you don't have any activation fee. So what are the things that you have to kind of be aware of if you want to use it? Now there were like rule changes for the Tradefify straight to funded for the lightning funded here, and they made the drawdown smaller and increase also the profit targets and increase the price for it. So if you want to, the consistent rules and fees, and it's harder if you're like aggressive trader. So that's something that you have to also be aware of if you're like also focusing on the swing trading. And that's also what you have to kind of be aware of if you want to like use it. So if you want to use it, there is going to be a link down below in the description for you to check it out if you want to. And another thing that I wanted to share with you are the rules that I highly recommend to like check out. And here we're gonna have like trading rules for the consistency, for the trailing max drawdown, for the daily loss limit, and like read these things through, or like you just like paste it on Reddit or like ChatGPT to like summarize it for you, what you have to be aware of. Like for example, trading restriction during high impact news events and economic considerations. And this is something that you also have to kind of like see the rules for yourself. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.